Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk to you about one of the most popular investment books out there, Rich Dad's Guide to Investing in Real Estate. This book has helped thousands of people around the world become financially independent and achieve their financial goals. The main idea behind Rich Dad's Guide to Investing in Real Estate is that real estate is a passive investment, which means that it doesn't require a lot of effort to earn profits. Instead, investors should focus on buying properties that generate passive income, such as rental properties or commercial properties. One of the most important things that Rich Dad's Guide to Investing in Real Estate teaches us is the importance of diversification. He explains that it's not wise to put all of our eggs in one basket, and that we should invest in a variety of different types of assets. This means not only investing in real estate, but also in stocks, bonds, gold, and other assets. Another key concept taught in Rich Dad's Guide to Investing in Real Estate is the power of compounding. This means that the more money you invest, the more money you can earn over time. For example, if you invest $10,000 in a rental property and earn 10% return on that investment each year, in 10 years, you'll have earned $110,000. That's a pretty significant return, especially if you consider that you didn't have to put in too much effort to earn it. One of the most interesting things about Rich Dad's Guide to Investing in Real Estate is that it provides practical advice for both beginners and experienced investors. It's written in a way that is easy to understand, even for those who are just starting out. Rich Dad also provides many real-world examples and case studies to help illustrate his points. In conclusion, Rich Dad's Guide to Investing in Real Estate is a great resource for anyone looking to get started with real estate investing. It provides valuable insights into the world of investing and can help you achieve your financial goals by teaching you how to invest wisely and generate passive income. So if you're looking to get ahead financially, I highly recommend that you read this book and take the advice that it provides to heart. Thank you for listening.